Everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to install Teams and I will tell you how to start. Step number 1, you have to use a web browser, preferable Google Chrome. Once you have this Windows open, you're going to type the address. In this case, I already signed in, but I will show you how you're going to see the interface. So when you type in your the address, it's going to ask you for your school email. So if you're a student, just add your student email. If you're a staff member, you need to use your HVAS email account. Once we add the credentials, you will see the option to download the Windows application, which allow you to use all the tools and you will get the best performance. So once you click in the purple button, you will see file downloading in your bar. I'll try to highlight in this corner. When the download is complete, just click in the file. Just a quick note, if you can find this file, you will access to it within your Explorer in Downloads. It will be your setup wizard. So if you have this icon, just click on it and the installation will begin. So this is the main page of Teams. Just as a brief description, in the left side you will see activity, chat, Teams, assignments, calendar, calls, files, and more. So I will show you in a different video how to use each of these sections. But for now, this is all that you have to do to install and use Teams in your computer. If you need to use the web application, the web version, you can just click in the option that it says use the web application instead, and you will get the same interface based on your browser, which is not the same. And the left side of in the left side of your screen you will see the web version application, and in the right side you will see the Team desktop application. I rather to use the desktop application because I like to have the best performance. Okay, this is all for today. I hope you like my video. See you in the next video.